Hello guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Today we're going to talk about how to change a background of a video using WAN and VACE. To learn about VACE without starting image, you could check the link on video description. The next thing we need is masking. In this example, I use Insprinit Rem B to remove background. But you could use Segment Anything or any other masking tools. To learn how to install Insprinit Rem BGU, refer to the link on video description. Next, open the VACE without start workflow. We need to adjust this. First, we turn off the preprocessor, whether depth, open pose, or other. Next, we add Insprinit Rem BGU node. Connect the resize image from the video to it. Next, add Grow Mask with Blur node. Connect the mask from Insprinit Rem BGU to it. Then we add Convert Mask to Image node. Connect the mask inverted from the Grow Mask to it. Optionally, we could add a new video combine to see the result. Next, we add Image Composite Masked node. We connect mask output of Grow Mask with Blur node to the mask input of Image Composite Masked node. We then connect the original video from Resize Image V2 to the source of Image Composite Masked node. We then add the Convert Mask to Image output to its destination. Connect its output into input frame of WAN video VACE encode. Optionally, we could add another new video combine to see the result. Lastly, don't forget to connect the mask inverted of Grow Mask to VACE video encode mask. Now, run this workflow. Here are the results. Here the same video with a different background. Here another video with another background. You can even use picture with people in it as a background. In this example, to get better result, adjust the prompt to include your character. It can also use for more than one character in a video You could also have a moving camera, and WAN will also follow the camera movement as best as it could. Here are a bunch of other examples.